Great white shark. The great white shark is one of the largest predatory fish in the ocean. It can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 2,000 kilograms. It is characterized by a torpedo-shaped body, a white underbelly, gray dorsal coloration, and large triangular serrated teeth. These adaptations contribute to both camouflage and hydrodynamic efficiency, enabling high-speed ambushes from below. Great white sharks are endothermic, meaning they can regulate their body temperature. This gives them a significant advantage over most cold-blooded marine animals by allowing them to maintain peak muscle function and brain activity in colder waters. They possess over 300 replaceable teeth arranged in multiple rows. When one tooth is lost or damaged, another rotates into place like a conveyor belt. Their bite force exceeds 1.8 tons per square inch, capable of slicing through bone, blubber, and muscle tissue. Their sense of smell is highly refined, capable of detecting a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. They also possess electroreception thanks to specialized organs around the snout that can detect the bioelectric fields emitted by muscle contractions in prey. Great whites primarily feed on pinnipeds such as seals and sea lions, but are opportunistic and will consume fish, smaller sharks, and even whale carcasses. Despite their reputation, unprovoked attacks on humans are rare and usually the result of mistaken identity. Great white sharks tend to hunt solitarily, but exhibit complex social interactions, including dominance hierarchies and learned hunting techniques in seal-rich areas like South Africa's False Bay. Killer whale. The killer whale is the largest member of the dolphin family and one of the most intelligent and versatile apex predators in the ocean. Adults can grow up to 9 meters long and weigh over 5,400 kilograms. They are easily identified by their black and white coloring, tall dorsal fins, and robust build. Orcas have one of the most complex social structures in the animal kingdom. They live in matrilineal pods led by older females. Each pod has unique vocalizations, dialects used for communication and coordination. They hunt using echolocation, producing clicks and listening for returning echoes to locate and identify prey. Orcas also show cultural behavior, with different ecotypes specializing in specific diets and hunting strategies. Resident orcas in the North Pacific hunt fish like salmon. Transient orcas target marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and even large whales. Some pods use techniques like wave washing to knock seals off ice, or beaching themselves temporarily to catch prey on shorelines. Their teeth interlock like bear traps and are adapted to gripping and tearing rather than chewing. They often tear prey into chunks or swallow it whole. Killer whales are highly cooperative, coordinating complex attacks, teaching hunting techniques to younger members, and exhibiting problem-solving and learning abilities rarely seen in marine animals. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile and one of the most powerful predators in the world. Adult males can reach lengths of over 6 meters and weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. It inhabits brackish and coastal waters across Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of the Indian subcontinent. Saltwater crocodiles are ambush predators. They wait motionless near the water's edge and launch explosive attacks, using their muscular tails to propel themselves forward. Their jaws can exert over 3,500 pounds per square inch of force, strong enough to crush bone and turtle shells. Their diet includes fish, birds, mammals, and other reptiles. They are known to take large prey such as water buffalo and even sharks. Saltwater crocodiles are opportunistic and territorial, capable of traveling hundreds of kilometers by sea to establish new ranges. They possess a highly efficient 4-chambered heart and a palatal valve that allows them to open their mouths underwater without drowning. This enables them to remain submerged and stealthy for extended periods. Despite their ancient lineage, crocodiles are highly evolved predators with acute senses of sight, hearing, and touch. They have pressure-sensitive pits on their jaws that detect vibrations and movement in the water, allowing precise targeting of prey even in darkness or murky conditions. Giant squid. The giant squid is one of the largest invertebrates on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 12 to 13 meters, including tentacles. It inhabits deep ocean waters worldwide, typically at depths between 300 and 1,000 meters. It has 8 arms and 2 long feeding tentacles equipped with suction cups lined with sharp, chitinous rings. These are used to capture prey like fish and deep-sea squid. Once seized, Prey is brought to a beak-like mouth capable of slicing flesh. The giant squid has large, complex eyes, among the largest in the animal kingdom, reaching up to 27 centimeters in diameter. These are adapted to detect faint light and bioluminescence in the deep ocean, aiding in locating prey and detecting predators like sperm whales. Little is known about its behavior due to its deep-sea habitat. It is thought to be a solitary, active hunter, possibly using ambush strategies. The giant squid has neutral buoyancy due to high concentrations of ammonium ions in its tissues, allowing it to hover in mid-water without expending energy. Its primary predator is the sperm whale. Scars from squid tentacles have been found on whales, indicating frequent deep-sea battles between the two species. Most knowledge of giant squids comes from carcasses washed ashore or found in whale stomachs. Leopard seal. The leopard seal is the second largest seal species in Antarctica and one of the top predators in the Southern Ocean. Adults can grow up to 3.5 meters in length and weigh over 600 kilograms. Their bodies are streamlined and muscular, built for speed and stealth in icy waters. Named for its spotted coat and aggressive nature, the leopard seal has a wide reptilian-like head and powerful jaws. Unlike most seals that feed primarily on fish, leopard seals have a varied diet that includes penguins, fish, squid, and even other seals. Their teeth are uniquely adapted, sharp canines for gripping prey and trident-shaped molars to strain krill, allowing them to switch between apex predation and filter feeding. Leopard seals are solitary and highly territorial. They patrol ice edges and underwater near penguin colonies, using stealth and ambush tactics. They can launch sudden attacks from below, using their speed and flexibility to catch prey with precision. They are excellent divers, capable of descending over 300 meters and staying submerged for up to 15 minutes. Their vocalizations are loud, complex, and used for territorial defense and communication, especially during the breeding season. Despite being a top predator, their main threat is killer whales. Leopard seals play an important role in regulating penguin and fish populations in Antarctic ecosystems. Bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna is among the fastest and most powerful fish in the ocean. They can grow over 3 meters long and weigh more than 600 kilograms, making them one of the largest bony fish. Despite their size, they are agile, hydrodynamic predators capable of sustained speeds over 70 kilometers per hour. Their body is streamlined for efficiency, with retractable fins and a rigid crescent-shaped tail that minimizes drag and maximizes thrust. Unlike most fish, bluefin tuna are warm-blooded, regional endotherms, which allows them to maintain elevated muscle temperatures. This adaptation improves their speed, stamina, and hunting precision in cold waters. Bluefin tuna are visual hunters. Their large, well-developed eyes provide acute vision in deep and dim environments. They primarily feed on mackerel, squid, sardines, and cephalopods, using burst speed to ambush schools of prey. They are migratory, capable of crossing entire oceans. Some individuals travel between the Gulf of Mexico and the Mediterranean for spawning. Their endurance and orientation skills rely on internal magnetic sensing and temperature gradients. Highly valued in global markets, particularly for sushi, bluefin tuna have been heavily overfished, leading to significant conservation concerns. Their role as apex pelagic predators makes them essential for open ocean food web balance. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest toothed predator on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 20 meters and weights of over 50 tons. It inhabits deep oceans worldwide and is adapted for extreme deep-sea diving, regularly descending over 1,000 meters to hunt. Its primary prey is squid, including giant and colossal squids. The sperm whale uses echolocation, high-frequency clicks produced in the nasal complex called the spermaceti organ to detect prey in total darkness. These clicks can also stun or disorient prey. Sperm whales have conical teeth in their narrow lower jaw that fit into sockets in the upper jaw. They swallow prey whole, relying on powerful suction and a highly muscular esophagus. The head accounts for about a third of the whale's body length and houses the spermaceti organ, filled with a waxy substance thought to aid buoyancy control and sound focusing. Socially, females and calves live in pods, while males are more solitary. Sperm whales are deep-diving, long-distance travelers, playing a key role in nutrient cycling and deep-sea food webs. Blue marlin. The blue marlin is a large, fast, and powerful predator found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters worldwide. Females, which are significantly larger than males, can exceed 5 meters in length and weigh over 800 kilograms. Their most distinctive feature is their elongated, spear-like upper jaw, or bill, which they use to slash through schools of fish, stunning or injuring prey such as mackerel, tuna, squid, and flying fish. The bill reduces drag while swimming and enables efficient predation in fast-paced chases. Blue marlins are among the fastest fish in the sea, with estimated top speeds reaching 80 kilometers per hour. Their muscular bodies, lunate tails, and deeply keeled caudal peduncles are all adaptations for high-speed pursuit. They also possess countercurrent heat exchangers in their swimming muscles, helping them maintain warmth and performance in varying ocean temperatures. They are solitary hunters, or may pair temporarily during feeding or mating seasons. Unlike ambush predators, marlins rely on speed, power, and precision, often attacking prey from below using the element of surprise. Blue marlins are apex pelagic predators, playing a key role in controlling populations of mid-sized schooling fish. However, they are vulnerable to longline fishing and are often caught as bycatch in tuna fisheries. Their conservation status is considered vulnerable due to overfishing and habitat degradation. Tiger shark. The tiger shark is a large predatory shark named for the vertical stripes along its body. It grows up to 5 meters long and weighs over 600 kilograms. It is found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, often near coastlines, coral reefs, and estuaries. Tiger sharks are generalist hunters with powerful jaws and serrated teeth designed to slice through flesh, bone, and shell. Their diet includes fish, sea turtles, birds, rays, marine mammals, and even inedible objects. They use a slow, stealthy approach before lunging at prey. Their highly developed senses include excellent low-light vision and the ability to detect electrical fields via ampullae of Lorenzini. Their spiral valve intestine maximizes nutrient absorption from diverse meals. Tiger sharks are solitary and typically nocturnal, patrolling large territories in search of prey. Their adaptability and broad diet make them key apex predators in marine ecosystems. Bull shark. The bull shark is one of the few shark species capable of living in both saltwater and freshwater. It has been found in rivers and lakes far from the ocean, including the Mississippi, Amazon, and Ganges rivers. It typically grows up to 3.5 meters long and weighs around 300 kilograms. Bull sharks are stocky, with a short, blunt snout and small eyes. They are highly territorial and among the most aggressive shark species. Bull sharks can tolerate freshwater due to special adaptations in their kidneys and rectal glands, allowing them to regulate salt levels. This makes them one of the most widely distributed sharks in the world. They are opportunistic feeders, preying on fish, dolphins, birds, other sharks, and even terrestrial animals that fall into the water. They use sudden bursts of speed and bump and bite tactics to disorient prey. Bull sharks are responsible for many near-shore shark attacks, particularly in murky or shallow waters. Their preference for warm, coastal environments and estuaries brings them into frequent contact with humans.